Good morning, friends. It's me. And it's you. So it's we. It's not just me. So, truthfully speaking, we're never alone. This morning, I received the guidance after meditation, after feeling this restlessness within myself, within another individual. Truthfully, we are each other. So, I was listening to myself, and my higher self, which we are one self, all one self, singular, together is unity. Um, I got the divine guidance by the grace of God, thank you very much. And inside to go for a walk. Because when you're a sensitive empath and you can feel what an individual is going through, it's quite intense. Now, all you can do is love them and pray for them. I feel like I'm walking on heaven on earth in this park, and it truly is. So it's funny, as I was walking to the park, I found myself walking fast, and I was like, why do I have to walk fast? I'm gonna slow it down. I've been watching and really enjoying Bridget Nielsen, Gabe Salomon. Thank you guys for being peacemakers and for offering your peaceful vibration and your knowledge and sharing your knowledge. And when I hear you, I hear myself, and I don't feel so alone in the world. Oh my goodness, everything is just blossoming. Do you guys like my flower crown? I highly recommend that if you want to wear a flower crown, wear a flower crown. I wear it because I love, honor, and appreciate myself, and I love, honor, and appreciate nature, and respect nature. I think Jesus wore a crown, actually, didn't he? So, I just wanted to come out here and listen to the birds before I start my day, before we start our day. With each day, there are new blessings to appreciate. Wow, there's so many flowers. Maybe I can show you. Yes, I can. See the flowers? Even if they're weeds, all flowers. May all beings everywhere experience peace, well-being, and know that we are worthy of kinder choices. I remember in my darkest moments when I was drinking about almost 6 years ago, I went online and I would, you search, you connect, you search for your soul connections, you search for validation, you search for the light. And I was searching for the light online, and that was my truth. And I remember seeing a woman, and she posted this, and it was just what I needed to hear. And so maybe this is what you need to hear, or one of you, many of you, I don't know, but You are an infinite, beautiful, magnificent light, bright light in this world. And then this is coming through. We volunteered to be here at this time. And I love how the light is shining through. As we learn to love, honor, and respect ourselves and each other, beautiful things start to happen. We start to walk with confidence, and we start to learn to listen truthfully. I love hearing the birds. I feel like any kind of worry or any kind of stress just melts away.